Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Have you ever heard this Chinese expression, 礼多人不怪? The English equivalent of this Chinese sayings is nobody will find you strange or weird for being a polite person. That goes to show how important politeness is in the Chinese culture. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are on YouTube, click the alert notification. Today we will talk about the most common polite Chinese expressions or 客套话 you should know. When asking for advice, use 指教. 指教 literally means point, teach. It is a 客套话 whereby the speaker humbles oneself when asking for advice or guidance. Sentence example. 我是彼得，请多指教。我是彼得，请多指教。I am Peter. Please give me guidance and advice. Meeting for the first time, use 幸会 or 久仰大名。Sentence example. 张总，幸会，我叫李翔，这是我的名片。张总，幸会，我叫李翔，这是我的名片。Mr. Zhang, a pleasure to have met you. My name is Li Xiang. This is my name card. In China, they use 总 after the surname as a polite form of addressing a person. It means Mr. in English. In other Chinese-speaking countries like Taiwan or Southeast Asia, they normally add the person's title, such as 张经理 if he's the manager of the company. 幸会 has the same meaning as 很高兴认识您。很高兴认识您。Another 客套话 when meeting someone for the first time is 久仰大名。久仰大名。You use this Chinese phrase when you have heard so much about a certain person but have not gotten the chance to meet him or her. When you finally meet this person, you can use 久仰大名. This is a polite form of greetings to someone whom you have not met. 久仰 means I've long been looking forward to meeting you. 大名 means name. For example, 张总久仰大名，很荣幸今天能见到您。张总久仰大名，很荣幸今天能见到您。Mr. Zhang heard a lot about you. I am honored to finally meet you today. When asking for forgiveness or understanding, you can use 请多多包涵 or 请别介意。请多多包涵。包含 in English means to obtain understanding or tolerance from others for the inconvenience caused. Sentence example: 招待不周，请诸位多多包涵。招待不周，请诸位多多包涵。Please forgive me for not providing a good service to all. 请别介意。介意 in English means to mind or to take to heart. Sentence example: When you are in a meeting and you wanted to interrupt someone who is speaking, you can use 请别介意。For example, 请别介意，我可以插一句话吗？请别介意，我可以插一句话吗？ If you don't mind, may I interrupt? When asking a favor or to trouble someone, the 客套话 or polite form to use is 拜托 or 劳驾。拜托 is a very common, polite Chinese word used in daily conversation. For example, when you need someone to help you, especially from someone whom you do not know well, you can say 这件事就拜托您了。这件事就拜托您了。Please help me with this. 劳驾 is another humble and polite expression when asking or seeking people's help. For example, 劳驾您送我到火车站。劳驾您送我到火车站。Please send me to the train station. When disturbing someone, say 打扰。打扰。For example, when you have interrupted someone, you may say 对不起，打扰您了。对不起，打扰您了。Sorry to trouble you or to disturb you. If you want to ask someone a question, you can interrupt by saying 对不起，打扰一下，请问车站在哪里？对不起，打扰一下，请问车站在哪里？Sorry to disturb you. May I know where is the station? Take one's leave, say 失陪。失陪 is a polite expression when you need to leave a place and cannot continue to keep someone company. The English translation for 失 is to lose, and 陪 is to accompany someone. Sentence example: 失陪一下，我上洗手间。失陪一下，我上洗手间。The English translation for this Chinese expression is, please excuse me, I need to go to the bathroom. If you are in a company of close friends, you can simply say 我上厕所. But if you are with clients, boss, or people not close to you, it is more polite to say 师培. Appreciating one's hard work, say 辛苦了. The Chinese polite word 辛苦了 is very commonly used in Japan and Korea as well. This polite word is to acknowledge the hard work that someone has put in. In Japan, for example, when someone has finished his or her work in the office, he or she has to say お疲れ様, which means 辛苦了 in Chinese, to everyone in the office. When accepting a gift from your visitor, you say 破费. 破费 is a humble or modest expression used by a speaker to show consideration for the giver. Sentence example: 来就好了，都是自己人，还那么破费。来就好了，都是自己人，还那么破费。The meaning of this sentence is saying, it's good enough that you visit. Why spend so much money on gifts when we already know each other so well? That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束。谢谢大家。